Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Coinbase account on your phone. First, ensure you have the Coinbase app installed on your mobile device. Open the app and sign in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the Verify Identity or Complete Your Profile section, which is usually found in the Settings or Profile menu. This is the crucial first step to unlock full account features. Next, you'll need to accurately input your personal details. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your current residential address. Make sure all information matches your official identification documents exactly. You will also be prompted to provide your social security number or an equivalent identification number, which is a standard requirement for financial regulations. Now, it's time to upload your identification documents. Choose a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Use your phone's camera to take clear, well-lit photos of both the front and back of your chosen ID. It's important that all four corners of the document are visible and that the text is perfectly readable to avoid delays in verification. Finally, you'll complete a live photo verification, often called a selfie. The app will guide you through this process, asking you to position your face within a frame or perform a simple action like turning your head. Once submitted, Coinbase will review your information and documents. This process typically takes a few minutes, but can sometimes take longer. You'll receive a notification once your account is fully verified.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.